am Suraj Singh. Let us take new question today. The question is that there are two statements P and Q, and we need to check that out of these two, which of them is correct. So first statement is that there is a subset W of V which contains all the triplets which satisfy these two conditions. And the second statement is that there is a subset W which contains all matrices whose determinant is different from 0. So we need to check that out of these two statements which are correct and which are incorrect. So for first one, for statement P, clearly 0 0 0 belongs to W because second component is equal to minus 4 times of first component and third component is equal to 5 times of first component. So clearly 0 0 belongs to W. This means W is not equal to 5. Now let UV belongs to W, then we need to check that the sum of these two vectors belongs to W or not. So U is equal to U1, U2, U3 and V is equal to V1, V2, V3. So because UV are triplets, so UV will be of the form this. Now because UV belongs to W, so U2 is equal to minus 4 times of U1 because these conditions will satisfy there, and U3 is equal to 5 times of U1. Similarly, V2 is equal to minus 4 times of V1 and V3 is equal to 5 times of V1. So U2 plus V2 is equal to minus 4 times of U1 minus 4 times of V1. If you will take minus 4 as the common, then this will be U1 plus V1. Similarly, U3 plus V3 is equal to 5 times of U1 plus 5 times of V1. This implies 5 times of U1 plus V1. This means U1 plus V1, U2 plus V2, U3 plus V3 belongs to W. This implies U plus V belongs to W. So if UV belongs to W, then sum of U plus V belongs to W. This means the sum of two vectors of W will be in W. Now, what about the scalar multiplications of a vectors? So for scalar multiplications, so let U belongs to W and alpha belongs to real number. Then we need to check that alpha U belongs to W or not. But what will be alpha U? Alpha U means alpha U1, alpha U2, alpha U3. And what is alpha U2? Alpha U2 is alpha times of minus 4 times of U1. This implies minus 4 times of alpha U1. Similarly, what will be alpha U3? Alpha U3 will be 5 times of U1 into alpha. This means 5 times of alpha U1. This implies alpha U belongs to W. Hence, scalar multiplications of vectors in W will be in W. This means W is a subspace of this vector space V over the field R, where V is RQ. So for the second, so this means statement P is correct. Now for the statement Q, because W contains those matrices whose determinant is different from 0. So if we will take matrix A is equal to 0 matrix, then determinant of A will be equal to 0. And hence the matrix A does not belongs to W. This means W is equal to empty sometimes. And hence W is not a subspace. Hence W is not a subspace of this V. This means statement Q is incorrect. Statement Q is incorrect. So in these questions only one statement is correct, that is P. Hence option A is correct there. And this is 1 mark questions for GATE examinations, and this is very important questions for GATE exam. Thanks.